Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add floating ghost effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps and click new project. Add the video that you want to edit on this one. Click add at the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original video like this, but in here I wanna add floating ghost effect on this video. So just click on the effect at the bottom, click video effect, and then at the menu you can swipe until you can see dark menu. This one, click on it and swipe down until you can see floating ghost effect. This one, click on it and click check icon. Now set the effect until the end of the video. And after this you can adjust the effect. So just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed like this. And then you can adjust for the opacity, the ghost like this. After this, you can click check icon at the bottom. Finish. So that's how to add a floating ghost effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye-bye.